You're curious about sound, what a fan may sound like, a drone, a camera, anything, the environment, how loud it is. A dB meter will help you out, and that's what we have here. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside. A small instruction guide to get you started to use the unit. A nice carrying case, zippered, covered up with a 9-volt battery that needs to be placed in. The dB meter with a peelable film. Please peel off the cellophane. Press down, push back the opening. With the 9-volt correctly installed, 100% make sure it snaps in. Close it up. The unit has a removable phone. It turns on, and we'll go over the settings of the unit. The external structure, windproof ball, the sensor, the LCD screen, the function buttons, and the instrument housing. You have the battery indicator, the quick response tip, a slow response speed overview tip. You have a maximum value that's indicated. You have a minimum indicator. You have a H, which is a data retention indicator. Down below is the test value indicator, a weighted unit, and the analog bar indicator. The dB meter has a tripod hole. It has a light. I'm going to set it up and do some sound testing. Turn the unit on by a nice long press. If I need some light on the subject, it's on the bottom. So I got here is a little drone. And what I want to do is just open it up, see what type of sound it is when the fans go. I got a minimum and a maximum, and I'm talking 80 decibels. The fan is 74 dB. Clear it. Put a fan on. Whatever you use your dB meter for, you can measure all your sounds in an environment, in a work location, in an air conditioner room, in a place where too much noise, so you don't want to go in depending on how much decibels they are. This is something that you may be interested in monitoring sound. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.